Philips Sonicare Genuine C2 Optimal Plaque Control Toothbrush Heads, 3 brush heads, white, HX9023 65. Genuine Philips Sonicare Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush Replacement Heads compatible with all Philips Sonicare Click on rechargeable toothbrush handles. Number 1 recommended power toothbrush brand by dental professionals. Up to 7x more plaque removal versus a manual toothbrush. Power tip targets plaque along the gum line. Size: standard, bristle stiffness, medium. BrushSync mode pairing and replacement reminders when used with a BrushSync compatible handle, DiamondClean Smart or ProtectiveClean. Top reviews from the United States. Very pleased with the subscribe save. The pricing through Amazon. The subscribe save feature saves me a little bit of dollar, but most importantly, this feature keeps me on track with the routine of replacing my brush heads and saves my brain from remembering to buy new brush heads. Been using Philips Sonicare for 10+ years, I love it as does my dental hygienist.